And the fun never stops. Pretty sure it's not supposed to do that. Yeah, we triggered an alarm that time. First time we didn't. So it looks like I'm taking this thing apart for the 8th time. Alrighty then. Try this again. To the right. Oh, alarm. What the hell is going on now? I'm on the limit switch, but I'm trying to go that way. Let's take it off the limit switch and see what happens. I don't know with this thing. Something ain't right. It went the wrong way. I've been using this today. Every time I turn it on, it's something different. Well, right arrow. See? Right there. To the right. It's going the wrong way. Okay. Left arrow. No. Left arrow. It went left again. Do it again so you can see it. Left arrow. Okay. I don't know why it kept going when I let off the button. Alright. Reset. Right arrow. Went left. Okay. Now I just 30 seconds before this happened, I just went from the middle all the way over to here so I could set my hose height, because I thought maybe the weight was causing problems with this. Okay, let's reset. I am now off the limit switch. Sorry for the shaky camera, but let's see if I can get you a view of what the machine's doing without dropping the camera off the edge of the bench. Okay, I'm going to hit the down button because it's way up. I am not on. Oh, would you look at that? It went left again.